Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MCOM SEM 4 subject QTRM. In this video I have put direct answer instead of option. So let's start. Our first question, the effort to gain new knowledge mathematically is dash. The right answer is research. Second question, a patient of hospital shows dash experimental design. The answer is experimental unit plot. Third question, which of the following is not a non-parametric test? Answer is F test. Fourth question, research for continuous variable is a type of dash research. Answer is quantitative. Fifth question, which of the following are objective of research? Answer is descriptive, diagnostic and hypothesis testing. Sixth question, when units of the population are not homogeneous, then dash method is to be used. Answer is stratified random sampling. Seventh question, in which type of contiguency table the fatal correction should be applied? Answer is 2 into 2. Which of the following is not an attribute data? Answer is weight. The hypothesis distribution of both population is same is to be taken. Answer is sign test, Mann Whitney test and Millacon test. 10th question, what is hypothesis? Answer is assumption regarding tentative answer to question. 11th question, what is the sign or symbol of null hypothesis? Answer is HO. 12th question, which of the following is not probability based sample? The answer is incidental sample. 13th question, which of the following is not a parameter of population? Answer is S. 14th question, how many numbers of plots are in 4 into 4 Latin square 15 design? The answer is 16. 15th question, what are the measures of population known as? Answer is parameter. 16th question, which test is used to test the significance of two population variance? The answer is F test. 17th question, arrange the under given steps of research processes sequentially. First, hypothesis. Second, construction of tool. Third, collection of data. Fourth, selection of problem. The right answer is 4, 1, 2, 3. It means first is selection of problem. Second means hypothesis, third construction of tool and fourth last one is last one is collection of data. It means 4, 1, 2, 3. 18th question, before testing a null hypothesis a researcher decides possibilities. What is it called? The answer is level of significance. 18th question, alternatives hypothesis. 19th question, alternative hypothesis is known as by which other name? The answer is research hypothesis. 20th question, which of the following is not a non-probability based sample? Answer is cluster sample. 21st question. The error resulting when a true null hypothesis is rejected is called. Answer is type I error. 22nd question. A false null hypothesis is accepted. What is the resultant error known as? Answer is beta error. 23 question. What are the measure of sample known as? Answer is statistics. 24th question. State degree of freedom for testing of goodness of fit. Answer is n minus k minus 1. 25th question. In which experimental design number of rows, column and treatments are equal? Answer is LSD. 26th question. If all the plots are almost homogeneous, then which experimental design is to be utilized? Answer is CRD. 27th question. What is to be called the number of repetition of observation? Answer is frequency. 28th question. What is a variance? Answer is square of standard deviation. 29th question. Standard deviation of sample distribution is dash. Answer is standard deviation. 30th question. In large sample test, dash distribution is used. Answer is normal. 31st question. What is said to be probability type I error? Answer is level of significance. 32 question. Who introduced the analysis of various technique? Answer is Professor R.A. Fisher. 33 question. If sample size is 25, then it is called dash sample. Answer is small. 34th question. If degree of freedom is 6 for R into C consequences table, then 25 state the value of R and C. Answer is 4, 3. 35th question. Which of the following statement is not true in interpretation of 0.05 level of significance? Answer is a researcher bears the danger of rejecting a true null hypothesis for a maximum of 1 out of 100 time. Dear friends, if you want to join our Telegram group and WhatsApp group, then the link is available in description box. Thank you.